Hello everyone and welcome to GG Crypto. It's December 8, 2025. Today we are covering stablecoin adoption, tokenized finance, Bank of America's Fed expectations, and hints from Michael Saylor on BTC. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at the total crypto market capitalization. As you can see here, it's $3.13 trillion. It has increased by 2.75% in the past 24 hours. The fear and greed index is obviously still in fear and is 24. The altcoin season indicator here is 19. And over here is 35. The average crypto RSI is 51.37. The price of BTC is 91,819, Ethereum price is 3,140, XRP price is 2.09, and BNB price is 904. As you can see, there is a change in the top coins. XRP has moved up and BNB moved down. There is now $1.2 billion in market capitalization difference between these two giants. In the past 24 hours, there is some bullish momentum in the top coins, so it's looking pretty decent. This is how the chart of BTC looks like right now. There's going to be some added volatility because it's Monday, and plus in 2 days we're going to have the federal funds rate data coming out, and that's going to be adding some volatility as well. Let's take a look at the chart of Ethereum. Ethereum is looking pretty bullish if you ask me. There is also potential falling wedge playing out here, and the target is going to be all the way to $4,800, and it has increased by 2.6% in the past 24 hours, so it's looking pretty good. BTC dominance has decreased by 0.10% in the past 24 hours. It still hasn't been able to go past the 60% area. Let's take a look at Bitcoin monthly returns. For today it's plus 1.81%. When it comes to liquidations, in the past 24 hours we have $476 million liquidated, 284 in longs and 191 in shorts. Let's take a look at federal fund rate cut odds for December 10th. For today it's 89.6%. Bank of America now expects the Fed to announce reserve management purchases at December FOMC meeting that is going to be happening on the 10th of December. Fed is now expected to start buying 45 billion in T-bills from January 2026. These moves suggest liquidity support will continue into the new year, providing a stable backdrop for risk assets. Michael Saylor hinted at buying more BTC, signaling continued institutional accumulation. This aligns with the narrative that large players are quietly stacking BTC while liquidity conditions remain supportive. Alchemy co-founder Joe Lau says stablecoin adoption is exploding, moving beyond crypto-native exchanges into payments, payroll, and treasury. Banks and fintechs are embracing tokenized deposits as regulated bank-native alternatives that deliver stablecoin-like benefits. The total stablecoin market capitalization hit $300 billion in September, up 75% year-on-year, and Wall Street forecast issuance could reach $4 trillion in a bull scenario by 2030. Stablecoins and tokenized deposits are complementary now, but they may converge, creating a fully digital, bank-compliant money system. Ondo Global Markets received regulatory approval in Liechtenstein to bring tokenized stocks and ETFs to investors across EU and EEA. Over 500 million Europeans in 30 countries can soon access US markets directly on-chain. Tokenized finance is bridging traditional markets and DeFi, providing compliant and accessible exposure to global assets. So in conclusion, Fed liquidity moves are expected to continue in 2026. Institutions are quietly buying BTC. Stablecoins and tokenized deposits are rapidly expanding adoption, modernizing money for both consumers and enterprises. Tokenized stocks bring global access to traditional markets via blockchain. This setup remains bullish for crypto adoption and digital finance infrastructure. Stay sharp, stay strong. I'll talk to you tomorrow.